Isn't this car refreshing? Look at this beautiful turquoise and white 55 Chevy. We're going to call it a Restomod because it has a lot of its vintage charm, but yet it's updated. It has four-wheel disc brakes behind those polished wheels, as a turbo 350, air conditioned. Wait till you see the motor. It's body off frame underneath is detailed. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. And you can scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I don't know if I mentioned, it's a 1955 Chevy. The fit and finish is excellent. This hood, the gaps, absolutely straight, polished, smooth. The eyebrows, all this super clean. The fender is mint. All this is outstanding. All the way down to the bottom, nice and clean. Real nice gaps around the door. Just beautiful, refreshing colors. It's just cheery. Jams are done real nice. I bet I don't even have to close it. I bet if I just let go. Ah, almost. Shuts like a new car. The door gaps are right. The quarter panels are straight. All this is just mint all up in here. No issues. Bottom of the trunk lid, real nice. A couple of hairline cracks, barely worth mentioning. All this is beautiful. All this is clean, straight. That trunk fits in there nice and square. All this is beautiful. Look at the paint. Look at the reflection. Mint. Just beautiful, clean, shiny. Doors fit beautifully on this side too. Jams are all painted up real nice and slick. The roof is absolutely straight and polished. So the body and paint is excellent. And actually this turquoise has really tiny metallic in it. You see it up close and it's all polished out like glass, beautiful. And this thing's loaded with extra trim. This has the bumper guards, so this piece, and it's all in real nice shape. All the chrome, the grill, the bird, all this is real nice. So the bumper guards are optional. The spears on the fender and the door are optional. The stone shields, the rocker moldings are optional. And all the stainless is really polished. Even the wiper arms. Look at the trim around the windows. All this is shiny. Has little bow tie mirrors. Has the little shades over the windows. Even has the fingernail protectors behind the door handles. That's another option. Is all the Bel Air trim. All looking good. When we come around to the back, again, it's got the little bumper guards. All this is shiny, beautiful. They even put blue dots in the tail lights. And then coming around, the fuel door also has the extra trim around the fuel door, another option right there. So it's all decked out with the vintage, uh, type trim that it would have had, but it's sitting on 18-inch billet specialty wheels wrapped in G-force. Those are BF Goodrich performance tires. The car's been lowered down, has a real nice stance. All the glass is really nice and clear. Windshield's been replaced, the side glass, all that is really, really nice looking, really clear. So beautiful car. Let's open it up. We'll continue the tour. This car is like Irish Spring soap. It's clean and refreshing. I like it. It's really putting me in a good mood. Underneath the trunk lid, painted real nice. The inserts are nice and clean. The jam is clean. It's got weather strip. Inside's all nice, slick paint. Got the reproduction mat. Got the seat divider. There's an amplifier there for the stereo. This tire's never been used, so has the nubs on it. You got a nice painted rim. You have the jack assembly. Probably not going to want to use a bumper jack these days. They're not real safe, but it's all there and complete. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these new videos are posted. Jams are really nice. The weather strips are replaced. It has an original style reproduction interior. Two-tone door panels look to be in great shape. So are the handles and window cranks. All the metal is painted just as nice as the outside. All this trim is nice and shiny. Speedometer lens, all that looks real good. They did replace the indicator because the original would have been a 2-speed. Now it's a 3-speed automatic. And all this is looking good. We have some couple gauges down there for oil pressure and temperature. Retro stereo, original style knobs. The light works in the glove box. Has a clock. All this real nice. Air conditioning was very neatly added. Look at the welting and the trim and the screws and all that's just so nice. Reproduction floor mats, and underneath that is the original type 1955. I think 55 only. 56 didn't use this. Maybe they did. That's the tight weave carpet. The upholstery is in excellent shape. Seats feel real nice. Same thing back here. You got floor mats and the same carpet and all the same upholstery, wall to wall. The armrest, window cranks, the metal trim, all looking good. Got some 6x9 speakers back there, so you can listen to your tunes. Headliner looks like it's been replaced. Light works. Visors have been redone. The mirror looks new. Now this is the original style steering wheel, but the diameter is smaller. You have power steering, so you don't need a giant wheel. So it makes it a little easier to get in and out of, especially as our bellies get a little bit bigger as we get older. But beautiful interior. I like that it's turquoise and white inside and out. I opened this motor and I was just like, wow, it has an impact, all the shininess. So that's a 327 motor and it runs strong. Looks like it has powder coating or some sort of coating on the aluminum intake. It's a 4-barrel Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Some nice looking valve covers. Got chrome box for the battery. All the heater and AC lines are run here. You got the modern compressor. Now up front, you got the horns. You got an extra fan pushing air through there. Aluminum radiator. Chrome alternator. We got modern power steering down there. And then you see an all chrome power brake system. Electric wipers. The motor looks new. And the whole engine bay, firewall under the hood, that's all looking real nice and shiny. Pretty impressive. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes. I just said it again off camera. I turned around and I looked. I said, what a pretty car. It is. It's beautiful. Body off frame restored. The underbody, the floors, the inner rockers, all that is clean metal and is all sprayed in the primer just like it would have left the factory. Then the frame and all the chassis work is all painted nice semi-gloss black. Up front, it does have tubular upper control arms, and it does look like the front end's been gone through. Has a nice custom exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, dual exhaust, of course. The fuel system was replaced, the tank and the lines, all that stuff is clean. They did upgrade it with disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, Chevy orange. The starter looks clean. It does have a chrome flywheel cover. Again, updated with a turbo 350 automatic, so you got that 3rd gear. And it has a 10-bolt rear end in the back. I think it's a 308 Posi. You can read our ad online to confirm that, but it is a 10-bolt 308 Posi. This is just going to be a great car for someone to go cruise. Just enjoy. Throw the family and friends in there and go get ice cream, go to car shows. This will do whatever you want it to do, and you are going to get so many compliments, I promise. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this 55 Chevy delivered to your door. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.